What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Karbi Students Union KSU kala ay por live na ya ka Sarkar Assam baka deban penbait no ya ka jinga ka jiapod bat ka Meghalaya lani ay no la ka jong ka jilla sya ka Karbi Anglong kani ka jingdawa kalawan long tang khendiat sngi hadin bakalami ka jinga kan art ka bajor hapadeng ki Karbi bat ki penar hakas nong lapangam ha West Giant Hills District kabalam ru sya ka jingyap jong uwe unong Karbi ubakerteng u Oriwell Timung. Kani ka jingjia ka pen-i ka jing pulom jong Sarkar Assam ban penthikna ya ka jinglong try halor uput usam jong West Karbi Anglong bat ka pen-i ru sa shisin ya ka jingbam shimkya jong Sarkar Assam ban penskam ya uput usam khamtam hakabaya day bat ka Karbi Anglong bat West Karbi Anglong District ong president ka KSU u Tokbi Sarim ha ukurwo bala pelaj hne ka sing khatsan tarik risau. Ula ong ru bawat hapedeng ka jinga soy ya ka MOU hapedeng ka Sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya haus nam arjar arfuar Henry ki bakum kini ki jingjia kila nang beteng nakapor syakapor hai ki benta jong kasnong tapat bat dhan siri. Ngila ay por hakamat ka Sarkar Assam lingba ka nikalat patay ka bor ban penbait no mardor ya upur usam hapo kalay benay lani ay no ngila ka jong ka jela kenang bakinong syong ka Karbi Anglong bat West Karbi Anglong kinla ban shimhi hala ka jong kakti banya da ya upur usam namar na kalyang ka Sarkar Assam kamdan ya ka jing singaw kya bat kam nyokor hakabaya day baka jing im baka kendo ka syap jong ki Karbi bat ki try muluk ki basyong basa ha kini ki Artlik District ka KAAC benrap utokbi ka KSU kalabu ru iki kendon hakmat ka Sarkar Assam bakan shimi ki senjam banya da ya ka bahaka miat jong ki Karbi lembat ki wepat ki try muluk jongkathan KAAC dakaba IT no ban khmi ya ka kam syong suk syong san ha ki jaka khaput sya ka Karbi Anglong bakan penyat hi ala uput usam bat ban penskam ya ka jinglong try halor ki jaka puta nalor kata kala kenturu ya ka Sarkar Assam bakan sya ikipat ba syong ha ki than khaput ka West Karbi Anglong bat ka Meghalaya kumju ru ka Karbi Anglong bat ka Nagaland bakin bo ikitiar siat hapo ka arm license rule kenang bakin la banya daya la de na ki no ki jing sha thombor ling ba ki jaka khapun lada ka Sarkar kamla ban pentre kam ya kini kindon balakdo ka Assam kamdan hok ban beteng ban sanshar ya ka KAAC bat mardor ka deban ai no la ka jong ka jela katkum ka article 3 jong ka riti sanshar jong ka ri India ulaong.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.